Hi everybody, and welcome to day 11 of Challenge Me July. Today's prompt comes to us from my subscriber CW, and you're going to be having a lot more prompts from CW as the month progresses. So today's prompt is Seagull flying with a TV strapped to its back, and a little mouse is watching the television as the seagull is flying through the air. I'm using my Van Gogh watercolors. Thank you so much for the prompt, CW. I really appreciate it, and all the other prompts that are coming from you this month. They are full of inspiration. Just to add, I actually did use my white Posca pen to colour in the seagull because I didn't have a white watercolour to hand. Thanks for watching everybody, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye!